All right, guys, this is 11.3b, which is surface area of a cone. This is much like a pyramid, same formulas, but now we're dealing with a circular base again, just like we did with a cylinder. So the only difference is there's going to be some pi involved, not the kind you eat, I wish. My kid thinks I'm funny. So we are going to walk through this, come up with what the formulas are, all that, and then go from there. So first thing to know, if we're talking the lateral area equals 1/2 times P times L, okay, same formula, but now let's think about what P is right now. This is 1/2 times pi d, or we're going to actually write it as 2 pi r for our perimeter, and then our slant height. And here's why I use 2 pi r. If you think about this, 1/2 and 2, when we multiply them together, that's 1. So we can actually do a lateral area for a cone as pi r L. Now on the sheet I'm going to give you this, but if you like pi r L for a cone because it's simple and short, you go right ahead, okay? As far as surface area goes, so here's your lateral area formula, this one or that one, pick one. This is lateral area plus the area of the base, which if you want to be more specific, this is the one I'm going to give you on the formula sheet, but it's the same as saying lateral area plus, and then the area of the base, that's the area of a circle, so pi r squared. So again, you can use either one of those formulas, and you'll get there, okay? All right, so we're just going to do 3 of these, and then you'll be done. First one, find the lateral area and surface area of the cone. Leave your answer in terms of pi. So the lateral area, I'm going to use the formula that is on the formula sheet. You may use the other one, but I'm not going to do that one just because I don't want to force people into it, because this is the formula I'll give you. So perimeter of your base, if this is your base, a circle, the perimeter is pi d or 2 pi r. So we would go 1/2 times pi times the diameter. Your diameter here would be 10 all the way across. And then your slant height, now here's the deal. We don't know our slant height yet, do we? We need to find it, okay? This is our L, and the way we find the slant height is using the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to do 5 squared plus 12 squared equals the slant height squared. This comes out to 169. So if we take the square root of that, then our slant height is 13. So this is going to be 13, which means when we go to plug it into the formula, 1/2 times P times L, you're going to do kind of like we did last chapter where we don't multiply the pi, but we multiply everything else. So 1/2 times 10 times 13, that gets you 65. Okay, so your lateral area is going to be 65, then attach the pi and its area, so square meters. Okay, so that's lateral area. Then we need to do the surface area. And the surface area is the lateral area plus the area of the base. That's the formula I just gave you. So we're going to do lateral area, 65 pi, plus, and then the area of the base, my capital B right now, is pi r squared. So that's 25 pi. Okay, so we're going to add 25 pi to this, and now you can just add those together. 65 plus 25, you get a surface area of 90 times your pi, and it's square meters. Okay, 90 pi square meters. So that's your lateral area and your surface area. All right, next one. This one says find the lateral area of the ice cream cone, round to the nearest square centimeter. Remember, whenever it's a real world situation, we round it. So we're going to do the lateral area. This one doesn't ask for surface area. So this is just either pi RL, if you like the shortcut, or 1/2 PL. I wish I could ask you guys as a class who's using what, but I can't. So we're just going to go with this one. So 1/2, the perimeter of the base is going to go right here. And my perimeter, if this is a diameter of 6, then my perimeter is pi times the diameter. Sorry, I got distracted. I don't know what I said last. I had to pause. But now you have 1/2 times pi times d, and then your slant height is here for you. That is 12. So you're going to plug in 1/2 times 6 times 12. Actually, no. They asked in nearest square centimeter. So you can just plug this whole thing in. 1/2 times pi times 6 times 12. If you want to break it down, this comes out to 36 pi, and then you could plug it in. That's fine too. But your lateral area is approximately, plug in 36 pi, you get 113 square centimeters. Okay. All right. Last one. This one says find the lateral area and surface area of the cone and leave your answer in terms of pi. So in this one, we are going to do lateral area first is 1/2 times the perimeter of the base times the slant height. Okay. So you would take 1/2. The perimeter of your base is pi d, and your d would be 12. So 12 times pi. Okay. And then your slant height is the 10. So your lateral area, if we're leaving this in terms of pi, is 1/2 times 12 times 10. So 60. And then attach your pi, square inches. Okay, so that's lateral area. Surface area, you're doing the lateral area plus the area of the base. So in this one, you're taking the 60 pi lateral area plus, and then we need to find the area of this base. Okay, so if you look here, your radius is 6. So pi times the radius squared would be 36 pi. So we're doing 60 pi plus 36 pi, and that would be 96 pi square inches. Okay, and that's what you're doing for today. Have fun with that.